I'm Ralph with Rider's Domain, and if you're like me, you want to pinch pennies whenever you can. So we're going to show you how easy it is to change the brake pads and rotors on this S1000R using the Galfer wavy rotors and their centered brake pads. Make sure you have all your parts in and that you have any special tools you're going to need to take apart your bike. Step 1, taking off the wheel. So we got the wheel off and you can see that the caliper is really dirty. So before we put the new pads in, we're going to clean this caliper up and then put the new pads in, and then we'll start working on the rotor. So we've got our brake pads in, we've got our caliper cleaned up. The next step is to install the wavy rotor onto the wheel. Look for a directional arrow. If there isn't one, just put the words out so that you can read them when it's back installed on the motorcycle. While you're here, go ahead and check your bearings, because it's always a good time to check stuff. If there's any clicking or noise or it doesn't roll smoothly, you might want to invest the 50 bucks extra to get the bearings swapped out. That's it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. If I can do it, you can do it. Make sure you tighten your axle nut to your manufacturer's specifications. Make sure you seat your pads, and you want a good marriage between your pads and your rotors. If this was helpful, drop us a comment, send us a video, show us a picture of what you're doing in your garage. Thanks so much to Galfer for some amazing products. I hope this was helpful, and we'll see you on the next ride.